Lovely Smiles. I am Amanjit Kaur on channel Maths Made Magic. Let's learn so as to burn the fear in life. Coming to the second question of exercise 1.4 chapter 1 real numbers. Write down the decimal extension of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal extension. It means we have to move back to the numbers of question 1. So let's go back to the previous question, okay, and complete it, the second one over there only. So this is the first question. So we have to deal with those numbers, those rational numbers which are terminating, and we don't have to do anything with the non-terminating. Why we will get decimals, how we will get decimals from non-terminating, it will be very lengthy. Okay, so talking about the terminating decimals, here the first one is terminating decimal. It is written as 13 upon 5 to the power 5, can also be written as 13 upon 5 to the power 5, and there is missing of 2 to the power 5. We can multiply 2 to the power 5 in both numerator and denominator. 2 to the power 5 is 32, 13 into 32, and this will become 5 into 2, 10 to the power 5, or we can also write as 10 for 5 times. Okay, 13 into 32, you will get the number as 416 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits at the bottom, 6 digits, 5 zeros. Okay, how you can represent it in the form of decimal? 1, 2, 3, and one more, 2 more is required. 2 more zeros are required to put a decimal. This is the terminating decimal of the first one. Isn't it very easy? You have to just convert into the proper 10, the denominator into proper 10. Coming to the next one, second one is a terminating decimal, means we have to solve it. Okay, this is in the form of 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 is missing. We'll multiply 7 by 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3 in both numerator and denominator in this way. Okay, so the denominator becomes 10 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3 is 125. When 125 multiplied with 15 with 17, this will return 2125. Okay, and this is 10 to the power 3, means we'll put decimal from back, 3 digit from the back. So this will be written as 2125. This is the decimal expansion of this terminating one. The next one is again non-terminating. We'll move to the terminating decimal. This is in the form 2 to the power 6, 5 to the power 2. 4 number of 5s are missing. So we'll write it this way: 15 upon 2 to the power 6, 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 4, so that 2 and 4 become 6. If 5 to the power 4 is multiplied in the denominator, it is also has to be multiplied in the numerator. 5 to the power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 625. You can see over here we have number of friends over here. 625 when multiplied with 15, it gives 2125. Both of this when multiplied, it gives 9375. Okay, 625 when multiplied with 15, it gives 9375, and in the denominator now we have 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6, which can be written as 9375 divided by 10 to the power 6, means you need 6 digits to put decimal. So 5, 7, 3, 9 is 4 digits and 2 more digits, then a decimal will come because of this 10 to the power 6 and a 0. So this is the terminating decimal for 15 upon 1600. The next one is again a non-terminating. Moving to this sixth one. Okay, this is terminating. 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. Only one 5 is missing. So we will multiply both denominator and numerator by a 5. And hence we will get 23 into 5 is 115. 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 3. So this can be written as 10 to the power 3 for 115. And now from back we'll put decimal after 3 digits, since we have 10 to the power 3. So 0.115 will be the decimal from 23 upon 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2. This is again a non-terminating. Moving to the terminating one. This is again very easy. Do it this way: 35 by 50, 5 tens are, 5 sevens are, it is 0.7. I hope you know this type of definition. You are studying for class 10th, and the 10th one is a non-terminating repeating, hence it's very simply solved. I hope you find it very easy after going through my video.
That's it, pretty smiles. Hope you enjoyed learning. Please leave your feedback and queries in comment section.